Hi, my name is Aaron Engelman from Two Teachers Tax Service in Lyman, South Carolina. Today, we're going to talk about the no tax on tips provision in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act of 2025. For decades, tips have been treated as taxable income by the IRS. This means workers in service industries who rely heavily on tips have always had to report and pay taxes on them. Now with the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBBA, things are changing in a meaningful way. So what exactly does this law do? The key point of the law is that income tax is completely removed from all tips in industries where tipping is customary, whether they come as cash or electronically. This is only for voluntary tips. Mandatory service charges are not included in this deduction. There is a cap, though. The maximum deduction you can claim is $25,000 a year. High earners will see the benefit phase out starting at $150,000 in income for singles or $300,000 for couples filing jointly. Here is how the law will affect you. If you're a tipped worker, you will still report your tips to your employer as you always have, and your employer will withhold taxes as usual. But when you file your taxes, you can now claim a deduction of up to $25,000, which will increase your refund or lower your tax bill. Keep in mind, this deduction only applies to federal income tax. You'll still owe Social Security and Medicare taxes, and possibly state or local taxes, depending on where you live. Here's some other things you need to know about the law. This provision is temporary. It runs retroactively from January 1st, 2025 through 2028. That means workers should continue to keep good records of their tips, even though employers will also track and report them on your W-2. Since the law is retroactive, employers are allowed to approximate tip amounts for 2025, so documentation and communication with your employer will be important. In conclusion, workers should stay informed about their rights under this new law, and employers should update payroll practices to reflect simplified tip handling. The no tax on tips policy is just one part of a much larger bill, and we can expect more guidance from the IRS in the weeks, months, and years. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Two Teachers Tax Service by phone 269-449-8277 or by email at twoteacherstax@gmail.com. We're here to help. Thank you.